How to add picture in edits. In this video I'm going to show you how you can add a new picture. First of all, open the application. Now here in the home page you'll be able to see this plus button on the bottom. Simply tap on this plus button. So here on the top you can see this recent option. Tap on it again. Here you'll be able to see different options like recent, favorites, photos and videos. So tap on photos. Now select the photo that you want to add or post. So here I'm tapping on one, and simply on the right top you can see the stick button. Tap on this stick button. So it has been imported. So the photo has imported and you can edit it in whichever way you like. So here there are different options available, so you can select whichever you like, and here on the right top tap on export button and you are done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.